Good morning, students. Welcome to the class 9 of biology. Hope you are well and fine. Today I am going to discuss chapter 1, Cell, the fundamental unit of life, with you. Dear students, do you know what is the basic building block of any building? Yes, it's a brick. And when bricks are placed one above the other, the walls of buildings are constructed. Similarly, cells are the building blocks of all plants and animals. A cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Every living organism, however big or small, is made up of a tiny unit called cell. Similar kinds of cell together form tissues. Tissues aggregate to form an organs. The organs work together as a system and form an organism. Discovery of cell. Robert Hooke in 1665 first discovered the cell. He examined a piece of bark, which we call cork, under his self-made microscope. He found that the cork was made up of many small compartments or boxes which looked like a honeycomb-like structure. He named these compartments as a cell. Cell theory. Cell theory was given by the two German scientists, Schleiden and Schwann. According to them, every living organism is made up of one or many cells. Students, anything that is alive or a living thing, from a single cell bacteria to a plant or humans, all is composed of a cell. A cell is structural and functional unit of an organism. A single cell is capable of independent existence and can perform all the basic functions of life. New cells arises by the division of pre-existing cells. That means a cell division is occurred and a number of cells is arised from the pre-existing cells. Number of cells. On the basis of cellular structure, organisms are of two types, unicellular or multicellular. Uni means a single cell. The organisms which are made up of a single cell are called unicellular organisms. Example, bacteria, yeast, amoeba. Multicellular are made up of many cells. Most plants and animals, and as well as humans also, are made up of billions of cells. Cell shape. The cells are of various shape. It may be either elongated, spherical, oval, polygonal, cylindrical, etc. The shapes of cells is often related to the function they perform. For example, a single cell amoeba or a white blood cells of human body have irregular shape and can change its shape, whereas most of the plant and animals cells are of fixed shape, like muscle cells are long and contractile to help in the movement of bones. Red blood cells are circular and biconcave to move easily or through a small spaces. Nerve cells are long to conduct nerve impulse to distant part of the body and to the brain. Cell size. The cells are so tiny that they can be seen only through a microscope. The smallest cell is microplasm. The longest cell are the nerve cells measuring nearly 1 meter in length. The largest cells are the ostrich egg. I hope you have understood this module. Remaining part will be continued in the second part. Thank you. Till then, stay safe, stay home.